Hello guys, I'm Karthik from Gossipfunda. In this video, I will help you to fix your lagging phone. First of all, we need to know what is mobile lagging. And mobile phone which delays in response and leads to slow performance is called lagging. There are several reasons for mobile lagging. In this video, I will list out some of the major reasons for lagging and fixing techniques for lagging. First of all, update your system. Some of the mobiles need to be updated for better performance. Some of the bugs present in your phone can cause lagging and affect your battery performance. They can be solved by updating your system because they know how to handle the lagging issues. And here's the sample video for updating your system. Just click onto the settings, tap about phone, tap on your mobile's version. By tapping check for updates, you can update your system. Update your apps. Developers usually develop their apps which are common to all mobile phones. So it is essential to update the application to resist from lagging. If you are an Android user, Google recommends you to update your app. If you are an Android user, Google recommends you to update your apps. Just tap on the Play Store app. Just click your email ID icon. Just click on your Manage App and Devices. Tap on Manage. Tap on Update Available. Here's the apps that you want to update. Third, stop third-party running apps in background. Some of the third-party apps can run in background even the phone is at rest and switch off mode. It is very essential to stop running in background because they can also cause your mobile to lag. Fourth, the most important thing is clearing storage. Some of the third-party apps stores your data which occupies a large space. It also can be a reason for your mobile to lag. So clearing it once in 3 months can help you in lagging free mobile. Note, if you clear data from apps, it also erases all your photo, video and other files. Before clearing, you can keep them in cloud storage or move files to SD card or PC. So here's a sample video for clearing data. Go to the settings and search for Application Manager. Click Manage Apps. I am just clearing data from Chrome. You can also clear data from various apps. Click Clear Data. I am just clicking Manage Space and clearing all data. Click OK. All the data will be erased. The last of all thing is having multiple launchers. If you are having a multiple launcher which can give a stylish fonts, wallpapers, widgets, etc., it lags your phone. It also drains your battery performance. So keep a single launcher for your use. So that's it from me. Before you leave, please hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any queries, please comment below. For more questions, check our official website. The links are given below in the description.